Hello, are you free?
Yes, where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station.
Okay, please get in.
How much is it?
It's $10.
That's fine. Please go fast. I'm late.
Don't worry, I will drive a fast and safe.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Okay. Do you know the station well?
Yes, I go there every day.
That's good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please relax.
I see the station now.
Yes, we are almost there.
Thank you. Here's $10.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Hello. Can you take me to the hospital?
Yes, please get in.
Thank you. Is it far?
No, only 10 minutes.
Okay. How much will it cost?
It will be $8.
That's fine. Please go quickly.
Yes, I will. Please wear your seatbelt.
Okay. Do you go to the hospital often?
Yes, many people go there.
Is it busy now?
A little, but not too much traffic.
That's good. I have a doctor's appointment.
I see. I will try to be on time.
Thank you. You are kind.
You're welcome.
Oh, we are here.
Yes, this is the hospital.
Here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your change. $2.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Hello, can you take me to City Mall?
Yes, of course. Please sit.
Thank you. Is there traffic now?
A little, but I know a faster way.
Okay, that's good.
Do you want me to turn on the AC?
No, thank you. Can I open the window?
Sure, go ahead.
How much is the ride?
Around $12.
That's okay. Not too expensive.
We will be there in 15 minutes.
Can you stop near the main door?
Yes, I will stop close to the entrance.
Thank you. I have heavy bags.
No problem. I will help you.
You are very kind.
You're welcome, miss.
Here's $12.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You do. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, are you a taxi driver?
Yes, I am. Do you need a taxi?
Yes, I want to go to the train station.
Okay, please get in.
Thank you. Is it far?
No, it's about 15 minutes.
How much is it?
It is $12.
That's okay. Let's go.
All right. Please sit and relax.
Do you drive every day?
Yes, I work every day.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like meeting people.
That's nice.
We are almost there.
Great. I need to catch my train.
Don't worry, you are on time.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We are here.
Here is $15.
Thank you. Your change is $3.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good trip.
Hello, taxi.
Hi. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station, please.
Okay. Please get in.
Can we stop at a small shop first?
Sure. Do you want snacks or water?
Yes, I want to buy water.
No problem. I will stop at a shop on the way.
Thank you. Is the weather always hot here?
Yes, it is hot in the afternoon.
It is too hot today.
Yes. Do you want the window open or AC?
AC, please. The sun is very strong.
Okay, the ride will take 20 minutes.
How much is the ride?
It will be $10.
That's fine. Can I have your number?
Sure. Do you need a taxi tomorrow?
Yes, I have a flight in the morning.
I can pick you up. Just call me.
Thank you very much. You're very helpful.
You're welcome, miss.
Here is $10. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a good trip.
Bye. Hello, is this taxi free?
Yes, please get in. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Green Park.
Okay, it will take 15 minutes.
Thank you. Can you play some music?
Sure. Do you like pop music?
Yes, I love pop. Not too loud, please.
No problem. Is this okay?
Yes, perfect. Do you drive every day?
Yes, I drive 6 days a week.
That's a lot. Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 boys. They are 8 and 10.
That's nice. Are they funny?
Very funny. They like to sing in the car.
Maybe they can join you one day.
Ha ha. Then you will hear too much singing.
I don't mind. I like happy drivers.
Thank you. You are a kind passenger.
How much is the ride?
$7.
Here is $10. You can keep the change.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the park.
I will. Have a great day.
You too.